Clap, clap. Yeah, clap, clap, clap. Yeah, this is Planet Pop Pop. 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 And Neng Neng.
YouTube, it's your boy Pop Pop, and I'm here with Neng. Hi. And today we are indoor flying.
Indoor skydiving.
We're about to go flying like Superman and Supergirl.
Superman and Supergirl, y'all ready? Yeah. It's hot. Let's get up out of here. Come on.
Come on. Ready and welcome.
All right, so got you signed up. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready, Nene?
Go get my sneakers.
No, hold on. Come this way, baby. Boy, you ready?
Yeah.
Papa.
Look, that one I'm about to do.
Yeah, let's see what this. Papa, what if you do it so good that they want to put you on the commercial? You do the commercial for them? You'd be like, I'm not sure why, but every time I fly. So what's up? You rolling out?
Really?
Oh, that. You not that. Where you going, Astro? Oh, turn around. Let me see your shirt. See, that's why I keep calling you Astro. You got their Astro Gear swag nowadays?
Yeah.
Come on, man. Astro Boy swag. Come on, we hanging around the bathroom. Indoor skydiving for the kid. Pop Pop and Neng Neng. Pop Pop and Neng Neng. Pop Pop, come get a flick right here. Come get a flick. Here, come right here. Come get a flick. Come get a flick. Let me get a flick of my guy. Yeah, let's go. So what's up, y'all? Y'all ready? You excited?
Yeah.
What kind of, any questions you guys got? That way I can ask them so we don't forget.
I can't wait to fly, and it's gonna be so cool like that.
Yeah.
Like, look.
Oh no. No.
What about you, Nene?
That one.
And you got the boots on, Papa. The boots, though, so you Astro Boy himself.
Look.
She's going, she's going. She's going, she's going. She's going.
Why? Go ahead and follow me this way, please.
Thank you.
So welcome everyone. My name is Sunny, and I'll be your flight instructor.
Okay.
We're just gonna go over a roll call for the camera. When you hear your name, please raise your hand. Dior. Denzel. Next, I'll play a short 4-minute video. Please pay attention to the hand signals, the body positioning, and safety. And when I get back, we can review together.
Vegas Indoor Skydiving, the most unique attraction in Las Vegas. This video will cover the basics of body flight, including body position, hand signals, communication, and of course, safety procedures. Relax. Do not fight the wind or try to push down on it. The more you relax and let the wind do the work, the more stable you will fly.
Deal. Got it?
Some other commonly used hand signals include straighten your legs, bend your legs, keep your chin up, arch your back, and most importantly, hang loose or relax. You will fall out of the wind column a few times while learning to fly, and so will everyone else.
Oh my God! Hands up with a high bend, you know? More of a little bend in your elbows. There you go.
Perfect.
Chin up, hips forward.
Poke it out, poke it out.
Perfect! Good job. You can take a seat, nicely done. This foot stroke will go under your foot and inside of your shoe, and then you'll put your shoes on way tighter than you normally wear.
You got it? You working it out? How you coming, Neng Neng?
I'm good. Tell me with this one.
Straight and my hips to the lowest point. That's how I want you to fly. Go ahead and show me
Nene, your turn.
Good job. Boom, just like that. Nicely done. Perfect. Let's see you do that.
Let's see if Pop can do it. Let's see what you got.
There you go. Straight legs and you have your arms like this. Boom.
Hold on. Hold on.
After the helmet, follow me with all the rest of the stuff.
Big deal.
Huh. How is it? Let's go, helmet girl. Neng, how was it?
Amazing. Come on this side, this side, this side. Come on, girl, come on, girl.
You okay?
That's all trash. Throw all that away. Perfect.
Neng,
Throw that away right
Neng,
here.
head sleeve.
Yeah, we don't reuse those.
Okay.
And then when you're taking the suit off, get your shoes first and any Velcro you have anywhere.
Gotcha.
If you borrowed shoes from us, put ours up here, yours are on the bookshelf.
Okay. What do you say, guys?
You're welcome.
Thank you. Swear.
Girl. All right, cool. Thanks, boss. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you. How was it, first of all?
Good.
Did you feel like Superman and Supergirl?
Yeah, like that poster right
Just like the poster, huh?
there. Super.
Man, you was Supergirl. That was cool. We coming back, though, right?
Yeah.
Next time I'm doing it with you guys, I will not miss it.
Kenny, I am too.
Yeah. And next time we come back, I'm doing it on my own.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no,
Like
you
that
ready?
kid right there.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
The big kid.
You just gotta keep.
I'm gonna do it by myself, and I'm gonna be.
Well, look at the practice, you get better. Come on, guys, let's do it. You going back down? Thank you.
You're very welcome.
You know what extreme means, right? You guys have no limits. You guys went on roller coasters, went upside down. You learned how to fly.
So you are Spider-Man and you are Supergirl and Superboy.
I love you.
Superboy can't fly. Only Superman can fly. He can jump, but he can't fly though. These are Italian custard for the kids. Be very calm. Let's see what they got from CJ.
Candy,
Here.
pebbles, Oreos. You sure you want that one? And
Chocolate.
Okay, one chocolate, one sprinkles of what kind of flavors do you guys like?
Watermelon.
They have cherry.
No, I'm gonna climb up.
They have sour.
We got Sour Patch Kid.
They have honey juice. They got blueberry. They got granny apple. They have strawberry, raspberry.
Sour Patch Kid.
You want Sour Patch?
It's gonna be
No
sour.
cherry, Dr. Pepper.
No, Dr. Pepper. They have cotton candy flavored.
Oh, chocolate.
You want chocolate on top of chocolate?
Yeah, cause I'm a root beer. Get away from this. Get away from this. Get away from there. There's a skeleton.
How about I took you there? Bones?
It's all bones.
Skeleton?
Now this is for all the moms that need to cold break.
Let me try it.
Tell me what you think. Is it a maze? It's spicy? Hit it, hit it.
Spicy?
Just
Yeah,
taste a
it's
little.
spicy.
Look at she looks terrified.
Grab your phone and yeah. Hey, where we go? What was the final decision? What was the final decision? So, Papa, you went with root beer and chocolate. Kind of different, but hey, what can you say? And then Elsa, chocolate.
Chocolate inside, and I got chocolate covered.
and an Elsa cone, yeah.
And if you like to subscribe, you will see Skydiving 2.
Skydiving Part 2 coming up. Meaning you had a good time?
Yeah.
All right, we finished at CJ's Custard, and we made you lick. Because it's really good. I hope you guys have fun. So tell your people we see them next time. Peace out.
You can say.
You ready? Come on, kid. Come on. You ready, bro? What's up? 5 nights? You excited? I see the hoodie though. 5 nights drip. Come on, you ready, man? Let's go. Neng and Asha and Papa. How about, remember I told you? It's Craven Pop, remember I told you? That's what we fighting on the game right now. Yeah. You already seen that.
I'll be seeing that.
Yeah. What's up, you ready, boy? Huh? You ready?
Yeah, what is that?
What about you, Neng? You ready?
Of course I'm ready.
You said what?
Of course I'm ready.
That's good.
Can you open your
to move
so you can miss and talk?
It's nice to
Hey, Fred. Hey, Freddie. Hey, Freddie. Hey, what you thought about the movie, Fred? It was dope? What you have to say? What was your favorite part?
The one that where he keeps he woke up and
I said, read the sign.
How are your shoes, boy? Come on, let's get up out of here. Hold on, what's that?